Alright, before you begin, I think it's a good idea to kind of get familiar with what you have. Now, it says that it's supposed to come with a memory card. I didn't see one in the box, so I do have the thing to plug into the computer, power cable, which I'm sure we'll figure out when we are in the vehicle how that's supposed to connect, and then this tool that I guess helps you disconnect the factory one. Now, you'll see in our vehicle the factory piece is very wobbly and loose, so I'm wondering if somebody has already messed with it in the past, maybe broke something off. I do recommend you look around on here for how it may connect to the vehicle. It looks like there are female connectors on here, and so maybe, I'm just guessing because I haven't been out there yet, maybe there's a male that pops into all of these spots, and that may be why you need this to pry. So I always recommend starting with plastic pry tools and then only go to the metal if the plastic is not working. So let's go out to the vehicle and see if we can get the factory piece off, see if these connectors are broken, which is my guess since the factory one is wobbly, as you'll see. The towel up, hopefully that will make it a little easier to see and also not so hot to the touch, because this thing is really hot to the touch. Well, I gave it a tug and it just came off, so I don't know what actually retains it to the vehicle. As you can see, I was right, those are rubber things that go into there. Looks like those need to be transferred over to the new one, so I am going to pull those out of there and stick them in there. Alright, so I've transferred them all over. They basically just pull out of the old one and then kind of just sort of, I was twisting and rolling them to get them to go in. And then this is the factory piece that's going to go, basically clicks into here. So it's just going to lock into place. Alright, there's only one other plug, which is right there. And this typical engineering where they have it where you can't just press and release it, you have to get a pick tool or something. So that looks like that might be the plug. Let's see if this will plug in. Yep, alrighty. So we're in business now. And then you see I already plugged this one in. Make sure it clicks. It makes a very clear click noise when it's attached. And then I'm guessing this wire just has to kind of be hidden up in there. I don't know if there's any positive click or lock into place of this, since, like I said, our factory one was wobbly and loose. And then this piece also fits on here somehow. Oh, not easy, obviously. Not easy at all to click it together. I don't know what sort of attachments they use, but they are not easy to work with. But like I said, there's nothing that is very obvious about how it should click together or lock into place. It just, I've already lost one of the rubber tabs off of there, so I have to figure out where that fell off at. it retains back here by clicking up into place. I did finally figure that out. My fear is when I put this piece on, it's going to knock it down because it's not a real tight fit for sure. Okay, I was wrong. So there it is. It's as loose as the factory one was, but seems to be on. Doesn't seem like it's going to fall. It does seem like it will wiggle some. So now I just need to get the memory card in there.